baby power move. Of course, Buddy timed it perfect. H2 trailer. It's on main 3, westbound. And this was on main 1, eastbound. And there's another train tied down on main 2, I think. About a quarter mile up there. It's beautiful out here. Had a lot of rain. There's beautiful yuccas blooming out there to the right of the tracks. Desert plants. Happy Memorial Day weekend. Thanks for joining us. Got out here early and we're getting a lot of great action. So make sure you hit that notification bell. You don't want to miss any of the great action.